YouTube, I had to get low for this one. Today, man, we getting rid of those. What I'm trying to do, man, is I'm trying to get the bike prepped for the track, and every day I look for parts to make it a little bit more track-like. So today, we're gonna get rid of those rear passenger pegs. Yeah, because I'm not gonna need them. Not for what I'm gonna be doing. And I ordered a set of RGB rear passenger blanking pegs. I've never heard of that term before. Blanking, racing foot peg blanking plates. It's for the ZX6R 2009 to 2021. Damn it, I seen a whole bunch of these knockoffs on eBay. Why did I get these real ones? Let's get started with the video. All right, so if you don't know what passenger pegs are, these are what they are. Now, for the sake of the bike ever going down, these things are great to have because if you have them down, they'll actually protect the rear fairing of the bike. But I think I want to take these off. It's a weight reduction and it looks a lot nicer without the passenger pegs. So what you'll need is a basic T40 to take these two bolts off and install the new ones. So let's knock these old ones off real quick. Whoa, that one was very loose. Oh, they're not even tight. Well, the new ones I will be putting Loctite just so I don't lose my blank off passenger pegs. Look, this wasn't even tight. What the heck? What? What? No, I don't think they come like that factory. I don't think so. That'd be impossible. This is the side that had the exhaust. Now that I have the M4 with the baffle removed. At night, guys, I'm gonna be real with you. Like, I bust flames like no tomorrow. I didn't realize an ECU flash would have this bike popping flames while I'm riding down the street at night. It's pretty crazy to be riding, and then as you're riding in the front of the bike, you just see a whole lot of flash. Like, you know, if someone takes a photo, you see a flash towards the front of the bike, and you're like, what the? And come to realize, is the exhaust. You can tell I'm popping flames because it looks burned. But yeah, it does. It does pop flames. All right, I'm trying to take this one off with one hand, and I'm having such a hard time. So let me just, oh, here we go. Let me just knock this off real quick. Like, today is all about weight reduction. I want to reduce as much weight on the bike, the entire bike, as much as I can today, because I feel like the bike is quite heavy, especially when I lean or I'm turning or if I'm accelerating. It does feel sluggish. All right, so I don't need these, and it does weigh. Damn, it does have like a weight, like it does have a weight to it. Like it does have like a weight to it. It does feel heavy in a way, but the RGB blanking plates don't weigh anything at all compared to this. So this is a weight reduction. This feels like half a pound, if you will. Both of them together is probably a pound. So let's do the other side. All right, so this is the clutch side here. Yeah, it's the quick shifter. Clutch side, let's take this one off. Boom. So I might get a little more finessing. Had to hold it up and turn. So I'm sorry about the wind noise, but at least there's no dogs barking in the background. Nothing crazy like that. All right, so now that we got these off, let's just take the fork shot. Damn. See how they look? Don't it look like a proper sport bike to you? Without the rear passenger peg? Like, that looks like a proper sport bike. Like, if you really look at it without the passenger pegs here, it does look different. The bike really does look different. Yeah. Damn, dog. Let me take a picture of this. I gotta take a picture of this. Oh. All right, so let's open up the packaging real quick. See what's inside. It does come with two sets of RGB stickers, which is gonna end up on my sticker toolbox somehow. It comes with two set of Allen head bolts, which I'm gonna use Loctite on. inside of here are the R&G. Like I said, this is just 2 of them, and I don't feel any weight. Whoa. All right, don't forget to add your red Loctite. I'm just gonna put a dab of it. I don't think I need that much. It's from my Kawasaki exhaust from the red CBR 650R. I've already put the other side on, so I'm just go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when you put the clutch side on, just so you have an idea how it should face, what it should look like. So when you put it on, it's gonna go like this. So when you put it on, it's gonna go like this. So this goes here. And that's it, guys. That's what it looks like on the bike. So from now on, this is what the bike is gonna look like on both sides. I really like this look. It's not that bad. It looks clean. So I want to thank you guys for watching this Ninja ZX6R 2020 rear passenger pad block off. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.